5 revolutionary 3D printing applications. 1. Medical implants. 3D printing is saving lives by customizing implants like prosthetics and dental structures with unparalleled precision. 2. Aerospace components. The aerospace industry benefits from lighter, stronger, and complex parts, reducing fuel consumption and enhancing performance. 3. Architectural models. Architects are using 3D printing to bring their designs to life, creating intricate scale models. 4. Fashion and wearables. Fashion designers are pushing boundaries with 3D printed clothing and accessories. 5. Food printing. Culinary innovators are revolutionizing food presentation and customization with edible 3D printing.